Hi, my name is Dan and I'll be showing you how to earn more as a creative by becoming a UX designer. I built this course for web designers and graphic designers who you've seen all the jobs and all the extra pay out there, but you're not too sure what it is. You know it has something to do with whiteboards and post-it notes, but that's it. Let me take you through and teach you all about being a UX designer. You're gonna love this industry. CNN named UX the 11th best job in America. The best bit is that it builds on your existing creative skills, but the salary is almost double what you get from other creative roles. These are the skills you're going to need to become a professional UX designer. We'll talk about the broader range of UX, but also how it applies to you specifically as a creative and a UX designer. We'll create a project together all the way through so you get a really true sense of your responsibilities as a UX designer. We'll give you the skills as well to run your own sessions, to be able to do the research, to be able to do the wireframing, through to mock-ups and then the testing. Let me show you how to earn more in this truly amazing career change. If you're ready to move out of the ultra-competitive world of graphic and web design, then this course is for you. So join me now so we can upgrade your skills, get that better job, and impress your clients.